You can live a long and healthy life by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. However, making wise decisions isn't always simple. Finding the time and energy to cook healthy meals or engage in regular exercise can be challenging. But your efforts will be rewarded in a variety of ways for the rest of your life. Steps you can take to become healthy is physical activity. Most days of the week, engage in 30 minutes of physical activity. If you're pushed for time, divide this up into 3 10-minute sessions. Walking, athletics, dancing, yoga, running, or other enjoyable activities can all be considered healthy forms of movement. Healthy diets. Consume a diet that is well-balanced, low in fat, and rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Select a diet that is moderate in sugar, salt, and total fat with low levels of saturated fat and cholesterol. Ensure daily safety. By using smoke and carbon monoxide detectors in the home, wearing seat belts and bike helmets, and exercising caution when walking alone, one can prevent injury. Be aware of the risks associated with keeping a gun in your home if you own one. Always take safety precautions. Ignore bad habits. Avoid smoking, or stop if you do. Obtain assistance from your healthcare provider. The Tobacco Education Center at UCSF provides workshops on quitting smoking and relapse prevention, as well as doctor consultations for smokers who want to stop. Leave alcohol or drugs. If you do consume alcohol, do it in moderation. Never drink before a trip, behind the wheel, or while expecting not. If you believe you may have a drug or alcohol addiction, seek assistance from someone you can trust. Maintain safe sex life. When having sex, use condoms to help prevent HIV/AIDS and sexually transmitted infections. Since condoms aren't completely reliable, talk to your provider about STI screening. You won't be protected from STIs or HIV by birth control methods other than condoms, such as pills and implants. Get oral care daily. Get oral care daily. Additionally, wash your teeth before bed and after drinking. Every day, floss your teeth. Stay out from UV rays. Avoid the sun, especially between the hours of 10 a.m. and 3 p.m., when its damaging rays are at their maximum. Harmful rays can penetrate both clouds and water, so neither will shield you from them. The Center of Integrative Medicine that held on Texas, USA. They are providing many types of healthcare routine for their patients. Feel free to call them for an appointment. To get these types of health tips, subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon. That's why you will never miss an update. Thanks for watching.